Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find and remove unneeded files from the hidden folder which Windows computer never cleans up. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, on the right side, you can see here releases. Just click on it. And just scroll down below. Now you'll see here tons of .exe files. So you can download the portable version or you can download the installer version here. So I'm gonna download the portable version here. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. So now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So it will automatically scan and detect all the unneeded files. So now you can see here 13 files to clean up. So if you want to check the details, then you can just click on this details and you can see all the details list here. And if you want to move it to the other folder, then you can just click on this browse and select your respective folder if you want to move those unneeded files. And above you can see here 18 files are still used, so you can check the details also. So these are needed files, and if you want to rescan it, just click on this rescan option. And once you're done with the scanning, then just click on this delete. Now click on this delete again. So now you can see here this much of size is being cleared, as you can see here. So by default the respective files will be sent to the recycle bin, so it will not be deleted immediately. So if you want to restore it back anytime, if any problem occurs, then you can just restore it back from the recycle bin. So by using this cool application named as Installer Clean, you can easily find and remove unneeded files from the hidden folder which Windows computer never cleans up. So if you've never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.